Welcome to the show called News Time. This is Sarthak Pandey and you're watching Media News. So right now I'm standing in Prayagraj, the city of Kumbh and Sangam. So in Prayagraj also there are 9 cases of coronavirus, and in India, let me tell you first that how many cases are there in India of coronavirus. There are 37,336 cases of coronavirus has been suspected, in which 9,951 cases are recovered and 1,218 cases as are noted as death cases. So moving on to today's agenda, that is the how attackers and a spread toy of communal hatred are spreading the communal hatred and attacking on those corona warriors who are standing day and night 24/7 for me and you, for us day and night, and you got attacked by these people. What will you say for these people?
It's very wrong and it's very saddening also. These kind of attitude, these kind of behaviors are not being expected from the citizen of this nation.
Okay.
Especially, I have heard that there are a lot of students, there are a lot of educated person who are behaving like this. It is even more saddening because if you are educated and then too you are behaving like this, that means some of the negative forces are in the pursuit of them, which is persuading them to do such kind of horrifying and criminal act. And I would definitely like to suggest, and I would definitely to say that it is actually a criminal act. It is a criminal act because if you are attacking on those who are saving you, on those who are serving for the nation, and that too on a medical staff, that too on a police staff, that too on a civil defense staff who are working day and night, it is very, very bad activity. It is a worst activity.
That's why,
and they are eligible and they are liable for the punishment.
Mr. Ronak, that's why the government is putting NSA on them.
It is a very good step by the government because it will definitely create an example that none of these useless kind of creatures should again repeat this horrific act.
So in this epidemic, you are corona warriors and you are playing a major role in this coronavirus disease. And first of all, my viewers want to know that what is civil defense. As you are serving in civil defense, just tell that what is civil and what is defense. Can you tell?
As the name suggests, civil and defense means a civilian who acts as a defense personnel. In 1968, when the China Wars took place, Civil Defense Act was established in 1968, in which the Civil Defense Warden Service is one of the most important service in the Civil Defense Department, where the civilians who have gained a very nice activities, they have undertaken a very social services, they have been nominated and they have been selected by the civil authorities, by the civil administration, under the guidance, under the supervision of the district magistrate, who is the controller of civil defense.
Okay. So how civil defense is working in this pandemic disease?
Civil defense is working in the same platform as all the defense forces has been working.
Okay.
Just the only difference is that we, the officers of civil defense wardens, have been non-paid. We are working voluntarily with the ultimate motto of Nishkam Seva Sarv Bhut Hite Rata.
Okay.
And civil defense has been regulated by the Ministry of Home Affairs under the guidelines of Ministry of Home Affairs. Civil defense, fire service and home guards and police has been exempted from the lockdown because these services, because we have been categorized in essential service and we are working day and night in serving the nation, whether it comes to distribution of ration, whether it comes to support of medical staff, whether it comes to the awareness, whether it comes to distribution of food to the needy and the poor families, and the control room of the COVID-19 center, which is located in the district magistrate office. We are in regular touch. In any kind of problem which arise, we should definitely inform on as a first responder. The information has been given and ultimately the medical team comes and check.
There are total 9 cases of coronavirus in Prayagraj. So can you tell us that how the medical team and how you have suspected, the team of civil defense has suspected those people? Even in those 9 people, there is one person from Lokarganj. He is a big example of corona warrior and corona carrier. Can you tell us?
Yes, exactly. It's a very saddening news for Allahabad that now we are heading towards 9 cases of coronavirus, which is very bad because we have been serving the police, the medical staff, the civil defense have been working day and night, but still, because the entire world is suffering from this, so Allahabad have now 9 cases. But among all the 9 cases, the 8 cases, because they have a travel history, they came from Maharashtra, from Nasik, so it is acceptable. They have immediately been sent to the hospital and treatment has been going on and the families have been quarantined. But one of the case, who is an architect in profession, he used to act as a corona warrior because he used to come outside his house. He used to serve the police personnel.
So he's a social worker or what?
He's a social worker.
Okay.
He was a social worker. He used to serve water safety, in fact to many of the policemen, to many of the civil defense forces. And suddenly when this news came yesterday, all the policemen, all the civil defense forces have been shocked.
Okay.
Because till yesterday who was a corona warrior, today he has become as a corona carrier. So it is a bit alarming situation for all the people, for all the citizens who are even trying to come outside without any particular reason. When the policemen, when the corona warriors people, when those people who are serving for the nation, they are not being spared by this corona virus, then I would request all the citizens to kindly stay inside, because the work of civil defense or the police or the home guards or the medical team becomes more efficient when the citizens are aware of.
Because we have also seen that there are many people who are going out of their house, who are coming out of their house without any reasons in this lockdown. So how the police are acting on those people, how you are responding, and how strictly you are taking an action against those people?
There are two type of roles.
Yeah.
The police plays as a strict role.
Okay.
They play a role of punishment.
Okay.
But we civil defense warden don't play a role of punishment.
Okay.
We used to play a role in which they can be motivated to counsel them,
okay.
to motivate them that why they should not come outside.
Okay.
I would like to tell you that civil defense wardens have been present in each and every of the streets.
Oh my God.
Every street, every post, every sector, every division have a civil defense warden.
Okay.
In a criteria of 4 to 5 house, there are at least 2 civil defense wardens who are present.
Okay.
So if any kind of, in fact I'm standing here, if I'm standing, my team is working all over the places.
Okay, okay.
If any of the family needs that, he needs a vegetable or he needs any kind of essential products, the information has been given to the civil defense warden. He immediately contacts to that person who is standing in a vegetable market. He sends one vegetable market seller to that particular street where the street vendor comes, and the vegetable is being delivered to the house.
So like civil defense is working like a multitasking force.
Multitasking force, and as a counseling force. If I want to, if I have to stop anybody, I would not slap him, I would not use my hand.
Yeah.
I will just try to motivate and tell the consequences, that if you step outside, these are the consequences that you and your family can face. So listening to that, they have been counseled, and especially we used to target the elderly people, because if they are aware of, they will never let their child, they will never let their son, they will never let their daughter to come outside the houses.
So how many people are there in civil defense in Prayagraj?
In Allahabad, the force is approximately 8,000 people.
Okay,
but
it is really
the QRT team, the quick response team, which has been working in Allahabad, is till at least it ranges between 500 to 600 wardens who are working in streets, who are working in rations dukane, who are working in with medical staff. And I would also like to tell, when the quarantine centers have been established, in each of the quarantine centers where the families of the coronavirus attacks, they have been living in there. So they are working as a security person, so that no one should step outside and no one should go inside.
Okay.
And the distribution of food also has been given to them respectfully.
Oh my, okay,
respectfully.
that's really
Not
nice.
like to just treat them as an animal. They are treating as a human being. They are giving them the food and all the essential products in the quarantine centers also.
Okay, you are carrying a badge of pride on your chest as a as a serving officer in civil defense. You are also a corona warrior.
Yes.
So from how many years you are serving in civil defense?
I've been serving in civil defense since 2011. When I completed my 12th, I joined civil defense to the lowest post as a firefighter.
Okay.
Then after
you are serving at that time at the lowest post.
As a firefighter.
And now you are
I'm a staff officer right now, and under my entire division team has been working. See, it's basically a matter of pride. As a profession, I'm a hotelier, but when it comes to serve for the nation, as a civil defense warden and as a staff officer, we are non-paid. It's a voluntarily force.
Okay, you are
but we have been. I am non-paid. We don't get any salary.
And those are the staff of civil defense.
They are not getting any salary.
Oh my God! And they are serving to this country.
They are just serving for the country, for the nation, because they are the part of civil defense. And the only thing the civil defense want is honor and the recognition from the citizen, and it has been regulated by the IG of civil defense, by DG of civil defense, by principal secretary of civil defense, and ultimately by the Greh Mantri. Our Amit Shah is the ultimate power who motivates us to work in the best of the manner.
Can you tell me from where you get inspired, from where you get motivated to join civil defense?
See,
because you have told me earlier also that you have joined civil defense after 12th, after doing your 12th.
Yeah.
So how you get inspired from this?
See, there are many kind of opportunities. There are many people who want to be a policeman, who want to be an Air Force, who want to be join army, but they couldn't because of the profession. some are doctors, some are engineers, some are teachers, some are businessmen, but still when they have that instinct to serve for the nation and to be in uniform, I'm having 3 stars, so it was my dream. So civil defense is that force which gives an opportunity to the citizen that you can also serve for the nation in under the organizational structure, under the hierarchical structure.
Okay.